I'll stick that sand out back, but I've trimmed the transom down. You can see how much I trimmed off it there. So far, I sanded every last square inch of this. So it's back to smooth again. It's got a few wears and tears. Just got to oil it. As you can see, today's forecast is sunny. Tasmanian style, it's raining. The stain I'm going to use is up here. I just started using it. I'll run that around it. Grab some pine, which I've just chucked in there. This is mixed with West Systems epoxy. Anywhere where I've sanded out any sort of rock, I've gone over it with the epoxy hardener and the mech. Bit of mould up there, which I'll treat. But I'll oil this today. I'll get you a video when I've done that. Epoxy is setting rock hard. Yeah, I sanded it all out in there. Epoxied all the way up and along. I'll fill it up with wood putty and some epoxy filler soon. Now, get the bow done. Work my way back there. On that side. It's like 6 hours later. You can see that nice little mess down there. We've done some epoxy filling. Second coat of the oil's going on. White powder everywhere and there, fill powder, but anyway. She's epoxied in, filled in. That's your second coat of oil. Does well on this Huon pine too. That's the nice wood, that's the plywood. Yeah, you might see it down there now. Epoxy filler. I might call that a day.